Hello lovelies, welcome back. Today we are making sausage bread rolls. This recipe right here is delicious and worth trying. So keep watching to see how I made this. Please don't forget to like and share. Thank you. First I'm going to add 1 cup of warm milk in a bowl, 1 egg, sugar and salt. I will give it a good mix and add 3 cups of bread flour and yeast. You can also use all-purpose flour or wheat flour. I will mix very well to combine with my spatula. I'm going to switch with my clean hand. I will mix very well until it forms a dough. Once that is done, I'm going to cover and leave it to rest for 20 to 25 minutes. 25 minutes later, I will add my butter, and the butter is at the room temperature. I will rub it in and transfer to my workspace. I'm going to be kneading it for at least 5 to 7 minutes. Once that is done, I will add small amount of vegetable oil in a bowl and drop in the dough, cover and allow it to rest for 1 hour. While the dough is resting, I will go ahead and cook my sausages. In a boiling water, I will transfer the sausages and allow it to cook for 5 minutes. 5 minutes later, I will scoop it out of the water and set aside for later use. 1 hour later, I check on the dough and it has doubled in size. I will deflect the excess air and transfer to my work surface. I'm going to divide the dough depending on the number of sausages I have. Once that is done, I will roll each of them into a ball, cover and allow it to rest for 10 to 12 minutes. 10 minutes later, I will sprinkle some flour on my workspace, take one of the dough and knead it flat with my rolling pin. I'm going to use my knife to create a vertical line, making sure it does not cut through the edge. Next, I will place the cooked sausage and gently roll it upwards. Once that is done, I will cover and allow it to rest for 25 to 30 minutes. And 30 minutes later, I will brush it with mixture of egg and milk. I'm going to transfer in my preheated oven and bake for 25 minutes or until done. "25 minutes later, we are done. It turned out so delicious and I hope you give it a try. Thank you for watching and see you in my next one. Bye!